Modern tenants run on cloud connectivity. Every application, every meeting, every transaction depends on fast, secure, uninterrupted access to the cloud. But there is a problem. Most commercial buildings were designed long before today's bandwidth demands. And despite what many believe, moving to the cloud doesn't reduce building infrastructure needs. It increases them, because every user, device, and business platform still relies on a physical path out of the building to reach the cloud at optimum speed. Think of your building's telecom infrastructure like a highway system. The demarc rooms, risers, conduits, and telecom closets are the highways tenants depend on to reach their cloud applications, enterprise systems, and customers. And when those highways become congested, unmanaged, or damaged, business suffers. Over time, all buildings add connectivity tenant by tenant. New cables are layered onto old ones. Vendors install and locate circuits without standards or documentation. Old cabling is abandoned and never removed. Eventually, these pathways turn into cable graveyards. Risers become overcrowded, closets become chaotic, and mistakes increase. Infrastructure becomes harder to trace, troubleshoot, and secure, and the risks begin to multiply. This responsibility falls on ownership. A single mistake inside a congested telecom room can disrupt live tenant services, create extended outages, or expose critical systems to security vulnerabilities. As pathways fill up, simple installations become expensive construction projects, opening walls, drilling floors, and adding new conduits to buildings never designed for this level of connectivity. What began as unmanaged infrastructure slowly becomes operational strain, capital expense, and liability exposure. And this impacts more than tenants. Ownership and property management are ultimately responsible for protecting the integrity of the building infrastructure itself. Without control, documentation, and managed access, vendors make undocumented changes to shared telecom systems every day. That creates risk. Risk of outages. Risk of security compromise. Risk of unexpected or emergency construction costs. And risk to tenant confidence. These issues don't appear overnight. They build silently over years until the infrastructure becomes unreliable, difficult to manage, and expensive to fix.